So you think you're buying a solid car? Think again. Some of the cars out there might look good on paper, but they're an absolute ticking time bomb once you hit the road. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, Road Kings and Rust, where horsepower meets knowledge. Today we're talking about the cars you should avoid at all costs. Here's the breakdown. First up, we have the Chrysler 200. Don't let the stylish exterior fool you. This car might have been marketed as a reliable mid-size sedan, but it's got one of the worst reliability scores in its class. The biggest issue with the Chrysler 200 is its transmission. The 6-speed automatic is notoriously unreliable and often fails by 80,000 miles. And when it goes, you're looking at another $2,000 or more to replace it. The 2.4-liter engine is another pain point. While it's not a bad engine in itself, it suffers from excessive oil consumption. It can burn through a quart of oil every 1,000 miles. So if you're buying a 200 with high mileage, be prepared for regular oil changes and a potential engine rebuild down the road. Another issue with the 200 is the interior build quality. If you plan on keeping it long term, expect to deal with rattling, broken interior parts, and peeling trim. It's just a car that doesn't age well. All in all, the Chrysler 200 is a car you'll want to steer clear of. It may seem like a bargain, but trust me, you'll regret it once those repairs start piling up. If you thought the 200's issues were alarming, brace yourself. The next model ramps up the reliability woes even further. Next up, we got the Ford Fiesta. On the outside, it looks like a fun little compact car with decent performance and excellent fuel efficiency. But behind the smile, a whole lot of regret waiting to happen. Underneath the Ford Fiesta, it has one of the worst transmission systems you can find in a modern car. The power shift automatic transmission is infamous for slipping, jerking, and eventually failing altogether. This leads to expensive repairs, and don't even get me started on the clutch. It wears out faster than most cars and will cost you around $2,000 to fix. The engine itself isn't much better either. You're looking at a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder that, while efficient, is prone to overheating and having trouble with the timing belt. It's not uncommon for owners to report engine failure by 100,000 miles. Aside from that, the Fiesta has poor suspension and braking system performance after hitting around 70,000 miles, meaning you'll be shelling out even more money on repairs. So while the Fiesta might be cheap up front, when it comes to longevity, you're better off looking elsewhere. And as if that wasn't enough, our next car is to set up the ante on reliability nightmares. Now, check out the Dodge Dart. Dodge Dart is not a performance car, but it tries to look like one. However, behind the sporty look lies an unreliable engine and transmission. Dart's 2-liter and 1.4-liter turbocharged engines are prone to overheating and fuel injector problems. The transmission? Well, the 6-speed manual is fine, but the automatic transmission is just a mess. It's sluggish, and many owners report transmission failure around 80,000 miles. Suspension problems are also common. By 60,000 miles, many Darts need suspension repairs, and the overall build quality isn't great. Expect more rattles and squeaks than you'd like. So while the Dart might look good in photos, it's far from a reliable car in the long run. If you thought this list of flaws was enough, stick around. Our next car might just take the cake. The Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima is a well-known mid-size sedan, popular for its comfortable ride and good fuel economy. However, it comes with significant reliability issues that make it less appealing for long-term ownership. One of the biggest problems is the CVT transmission, which is prone to slipping, jerking, and ultimately failing prematurely, often around 80,000 miles. Repairing or replacing the CVT can cost over $3,000, making it a major headache for owners. The 2.5-liter engine also suffers from oil consumption issues, with some owners needing to top off oil frequently, as well as potential timing chain failures that could lead to costly repairs if left unaddressed. Suspension components including struts and shocks tend to wear out quickly, leading to a less comfortable ride and additional repair costs. Inside, the Altima features cheap materials that deteriorate over time, and common electrical issues like malfunctioning AC or infotainment system failures can be a constant nuisance. Although the Altima offers solid fuel economy, up to 39 miles per gallon highway, these ongoing issues make it a risky option in the mid-size sedan market. If you're considering a used Altima, Ensure it's been well maintained, and have it thoroughly inspected for CVT or engine problems before making a commitment. If you're enjoying the breakdown so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Let us know in the comments down below if any of these cars surprised you. Now let's see what's up next. The Chevrolet Malibu. The Chevrolet Malibu is a mid-size sedan that attracts buyers with its sleek design and solid features, but it's far from perfect. One of the most significant issues is the turbocharged engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, which is prone to premature failure. Owners have reported issues with the engine failing to deliver consistent performance and the transmission slipping or jerking, leading to expensive repairs. Oil leaks and timing chain problems are also common in these models, adding to the overall cost of ownership. In addition to the engine and transmission issues, the Malibu suffers from suspension problems. Many owners have reported worn-out struts and shocks after just a few years of use, leading to a rough ride and decreased comfort. Electrical issues are also a recurring problem, including malfunctioning infotainment systems, problems with the battery drain, and other wiring-related failures. While the Malibu offers decent fuel economy and a smooth ride when it's working properly, the ongoing mechanical issues make it less reliable in the long term. If you're looking for a car that can go the distance with few surprises, the Malibu is not the best choice. Be prepared for costly repairs and potential frustration as the car ages. Don't go anywhere. If you thought that was disappointing, the next car's issues will leave you even more speechless. Now let's check out the Ford Focus. The Ford Focus may seem like a practical and affordable option, but it comes with significant reliability issues that make it a risky choice for long-term ownership. One of the most problematic aspects is the dual-clutch transmission, which is prone to issues like shuddering, jerking, and eventually complete transmission failure. This flawed transmission has been the source of numerous complaints from owners, resulting in costly repairs or replacements. In addition to transmission issues, the engine is also known for coolant leaks, which can lead to overheating and further engine damage if not addressed promptly. Electrical problems are another common issue, with malfunctioning air conditioning systems and dashboard control failures regularly reported. These electrical gremlins add unnecessary repair costs and frustration for owners. While the fuel efficiency of the Ford Focus is impressive, the interior quality is lacking with cheap materials that wear out quickly. The plastics and upholstery often show signs of aging much sooner than expected, making the car feel less durable and comfortable. All in all, the Ford Focus may be economical up front, but its mechanical issues, particularly with the transmission and engine, make it a poor choice for those seeking a reliable, long-lasting vehicle. And just when you think you've heard it all, our next pick reveals even more unsettling details. Up next is the Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 is known for its bold design and powerful engine options, but its reliability leaves much to be desired. One of the most common issues is engine misfires, which can cause rough idling and poor performance. The 8-speed automatic transmission is particularly problematic, with many owners reporting early failure. Issues such as difficulty shifting gears and unexpected stalls are frequent complaints, leading to costly repairs or replacements. In addition to transmission issues, the Chrysler 300 also experiences suspension problems. Many owners report worn-out struts and shocks after around 60,000 miles, leading to a rougher ride and diminished comfort. This early suspension wear adds to the overall cost of ownership, as it requires timely repairs to maintain ride quality. Electrical issues are another recurring problem, including malfunctioning headlights, air conditioning failures, and problems with the infotainment system. These electrical gremlins can be frustrating and expensive to fix. While the Chrysler 300 offers a smooth ride and a choice of V6 or V8 engines that provide ample power, its mechanical and electrical reliability issues make it a less appealing option for those seeking a car with fewer maintenance headaches. If long-term dependability is a priority, the Chrysler 300 may not be the best choice. Now here's the thing. Avoiding these cars isn't just about saving money on repairs. It's about avoiding the stress, the frustration, and the headache of constantly having to fix something that should just work. So what do you think? Are there any cars you'd add to this list? Let us know in the comments down below. We want to hear your thoughts and stories. What cars have you regretted buying? And don't forget, if you found this video helpful or eye-opening, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest breakdowns of the worst cars to buy. We're here to make sure you're getting a car that will last, not one that'll drain your wallet. Stick around because there's more coming up, and you don't want to miss it. Now the Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee is a popular compact SUV, praised for its rugged design and off-road capabilities. However, it comes with several reliability issues that make it a poor long-term investment. One of the most significant problems is the 9-speed automatic transmission, which is notorious for rough shifting and slipping. Some owners have experienced complete transmission failure, resulting in costly repairs or replacements. In addition to transmission issues, the Cherokee suffers from engine oil leaks, which can lead to performance problems and engine damage if left unaddressed. Electrical issues are also common, with owners reporting problems with the infotainment system, power windows, and electrical components failing. Furthermore, the fuel system has its own set of problems, including malfunctioning fuel pumps and fuel injectors that may require replacement. The suspension system also experiences premature wear, leading to frequent repairs on struts, shocks, and suspension components, which can add up over time. While the Cherokee excels in off-road performance, its reliability issues make it less appealing for those seeking a durable, low-maintenance vehicle. If you're considering a Jeep Cherokee, be prepared for potential repair costs and mechanical problems. These reliability concerns make it a car to avoid for anyone prioritizing long-term dependability. If you thought things couldn't get any worse, just see what's next on our list. Let's take a look at the Volkswagen Jetta. The Volkswagen Jetta is well regarded for its great handling and stylish interior, but it comes with a number of reliability issues that make it less appealing for long-term ownership. A major concern is the 2-liter turbocharged engine, which is prone to timing chain failure. This issue can lead to significant engine damage and costly repairs, often reaching thousands of dollars. Additionally, owners have reported that the manual transmission can be difficult to shift smoothly, adding to the frustration of driving. The diesel models, 2011 to 2014 TDI, which were involved in the Volkswagen emission scandal, also face long-term engine damage due to faulty emission software. This not only affects engine performance, but also leads to poor resale value, making it a less attractive option for buyers in the used car market. Another downside is the suspension system, which tends to wear out quickly, causing a bumpy ride and requiring frequent repairs. While the Jetta offers good fuel economy, these reliability concerns overshadow its performance and comfort, especially as the car ages. Overall, the Volkswagen Jetta's mechanical issues, particularly with the engine, transmission, and suspension, make it a risky investment for anyone seeking a durable, long-lasting vehicle. Don't forget to share this video with your car shopping friends, and if you're curious about more cars to avoid, stay tuned till the end for our top picks. And now, the Jaguar F-Pace. The Jaguar F-Pace is a stylish luxury SUV, but it's far from perfect. While the 3-liter supercharged V6 engine delivers excellent performance, it's prone to oil leaks and engine misfires. These issues often crop up early, causing both performance problems and expensive repair bills. The transmission in the F-Pace is also problematic. Owners frequently report rough shifting and transmission failures around 80,000 miles, which can cost thousands to fix. Another concern is the suspension system, which tends to wear out prematurely. Owners complain of bumpy rides and the need for frequent suspension repairs, often adding $1,500 to $2,000 in maintenance costs. Inside the F-Pace's electronics are also troublesome. Owners have reported problems with the infotainment system freezing and malfunctioning, as well as issues with climate control. While the F-Pace might have that luxury appeal, the reliability issues will leave you questioning whether it's really worth the price tag. If you're looking for something dependable, the F-Pace might disappoint you. Don't go anywhere. If you thought the F-Pace was a handful, the final contender's flaws might just blow your mind. Last but not least, let's talk about the Range Rover. It might symbolize luxury and performance, but don't let that fool you. This SUV is more like a money pit. Let's start with the engine. The Range Rover is known for oil leaks and coolant system failures. These issues are not just annoying. They can lead to significant engine damage and are incredibly expensive to repair. The air suspension system is another problem. It's known to fail early, leaving you with a bumpy ride and a repair bill that can exceed $2,500. And don't even get me started on the electrical issues. Owners report problems with everything from the infotainment system to power windows and dashboard lights flickering. And let's not forget about the transmission issues. The 8-speed automatic transmission tends to have problems, especially in earlier models including slipping and rough shifting. While it looks great on the road, the Range Rover's reliability issues are a nightmare. If you're after long-term ownership, avoid this one like the plague. These are just a few of the cars you should avoid if you want to make sure your next ride lasts. You don't want to end up stuck with an expensive repair bill every couple of months. So what cars would you add to this list? Let us know in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and tips on finding the best cars for long-term ownership. See you in the next one.